In December of 2020, I was seeking a new bookkeeper, and Marianne walked into the interview room, and there was just this positivity that radiated from her.
There's a lot of wonderful things to say about Marianne. She makes a positive impact with our students and staff in so many ways. She's a joy to have here at Gainesboro.
Well, anyone who's going through the challenges that I've been going through, the biggest thing that I find that helps me is surrounding myself with people that I love and being around doing the things that I love to do. Being here gives me that strength.
Marianne has many positive impacts of the students and staff here at Gainesboro. One thing that she does is works tirelessly to boost the morale of the staff, especially after some challenging years in education. She has her own snack bar in the office. It's called Marianne's Happy Snack Market. There's a child who attends a speech session each day, and the child walks by and taps on Marianne's window and makes a few faces at her, but also shows her all of her rewards from her session.
She's just amazing. You could ask anyone, actually. They would tell you what an amazing human being she is.
10, 12 years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and I went into remission, and 5 years later, it reoccurred, and I had to go through treatments again, and unfortunately, for the third time, it came back last year.
Originally, she didn't tell the staff. She wanted to get started in that journey first, but then as her hair started to fall out, she was like, okay, I think it's time. Everyone rallied around her. She wore cute hats, and we just made the best of it.
Treatments have been working so far. And the reason I feel like, and I know that they're working, is because I have the support of my wonderful family and my wonderful coworkers here, and those hugs that I get with no words. You don't need words. The hug is just the word itself. It means the world to me.